Welcome, you're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. FKJGP raises concerns over shortage of medical facilities at Shillong Civil Hospital. Gas explosion causes fire, destroys 8 shops in William Nagar. Om Yarong Catholic Youth Football Tournament concludes with exciting finale. And CM Conrad K. Samla distributes M tablets to students in Garo Hills. And now the news in detail. The Federation of Khasi, Jantia and Garo People, FKJGP Senkme, led by President Badandi Khongsit, visited Shillong Civil Hospital following complaints from the public about the lack of adequate testing and treatment facilities. The team met with the Additional Director of Health Services, Dr. A. Khuborjylla, to address these concerns. Dr. Khuborjylla acknowledged the ongoing issue, revealing that the MRI machine has been out of order, contributing to a shortage of testing services. Dandi urged the government to take swift action to resolve these problems, particularly for patients coming from rural areas. The FKJGP delegation also spoke with patients at the hospital and discovered that the pharmacy is experiencing a significant shortage of medicines, forcing patients to purchase medications from external shops. The FKJGP has called for immediate intervention to ensure better healthcare services for the public.
Additional Director of the Hospital, ngayo penyekendu ini dan yaitu ini kita kijing snow kaba ki pelayo kita kijing snow yang ini beseng mungkin orang alam dari pagi maupun malam. Jadi ngihing lah penyekendu ini bengayo kijing pesai ini, bagi kijing pesai ini kita penekong ini kalau ba kapenekong ini jadi apa yang ketika MRI, ketika MRI testing machine, nadu arah sakra kalau non operational. Jadi ngelak kali ba ngelak personal cakap sarkar, nagalang jangka ketika civil hospital ki incharge kenika orang bantu ada kapra yang penting juga saka sarkar dari haduk antaru dia kenika mesin 4 lah bantuan rak dan store hang ni ketika kijing kapa khrau ki pajba no sno jongi khamtam doan na kalong yin kapa duna ma hakot yok hakot kalau tak kini mesin hang ni pot nong ba Shillong hang ni kijing sumar pot hospital kamdan tingin community sa pakumno pan sekitar nong kan nong SPB district di habaru kalau mana kalian tu student kali kalian student nak pensai ini babeli ya kenika cytology test kamdan huni jadi kalian jadi yang kadan dan lain nak kata apa transfer no dai pathologist mo siapa kena jas hospital haduk mentah ke sarkar kampat wan rak replacement daki we pat penwan ni hospital dekat ni boleh we kertas kaba khamram kaba ki pajma jongi ki kelu sibun jingi ada ki wan man semua ni ada ki mio pentas si kini kertas hang ni poka civil hospital di kemju ru nilai crunch hang mo yo ya ke nakalian jong ngati to mentang arang nonton arba industri di manusia boleh ngalatrai ni for 20 years as an anesthetist. All my service kat ka bang percent always ni percent with ban improve mendere tang mentakas ni bakan you kat ka bang le ila ya percent with ban penbiang ti mentaru being hagan ni ka chele long la kamyo ya ka board maybe ban exercise ya ka financial power maybe definitely ni percent ban nang kam penbiang mo ijiran de kam jangki pare
nakaliang ka hospital
man kapur hina kami ka chengi tho ni pentit na takadaw ki sa sedang ban ya bersama penbiang ban kredit itu ka MMSRP knom ni oban pe ka manpower lekini ki jeng penbiang ke nomor ki haban take up hi daki doctors ki badai in that particular department ni ladani onka lab kemudian itu ki doktor ki bakte ki lab kadang ke initiate naki te ladaki ki wanra ya ki problem junki second ni ke che definitely in persang ni penyarap ki what to do next ni gua akin ban pen improve ya hospital mah kam tamban pen yang investigation te is our main goal in treatment kumno lada
nimla ban yo siya yagas diagnosis ko biyang mo ini depend lagi diagnosis hakini di diagnostic test kini as much as we can do lagi put up lagi different department definitely mangni ring hak kan yarap bagi nomban prosthetic kami take up it immediately dan kan ono petition ke bagi hak sini
Tikadan Pak.
ya ke MRI ni kedai nagabenta ba 2018 nama ka new dan kijing thot na ki kidan ki problem ki ba ngimla ban rectify tingi la pha ngila complain lele tina company pi ong ba ban repair ka to kan simpor ba ka door ru kala long beyond ya ka even no kan long bible so kan economically la repair na kata daw kila propose ini ban ngin condemn no ya to te menta pada in the process magadan ka proposal ba ngin yo kawai ka MRI machine na ka IOCL Indian Oil Corporation through CSR method te menta ka proses ka nangnya ya to ngira proses te maybe within the short time try nomor ka order ka proposal jong ka government ti menta karangnya MMDSL ti kila pan ya ka ujuni willingness pengen use ni meta machine tinggal ti menta ngindang proses ngindang apsa kang stang ka order na MMDSL lakin procurement ini kin pa yani so ngindang up ya ka city nanti ti regarding ka dialysis ti ngindang kembasan tali ki functional meta dialysis teng ka workload nga try kala Shillong Khubor ki staff kila long overwork Meghalaya pun pra kini kidney failure ki badan kam pan coach nama te na ta dan teng ni hapan refer siapa bomla kiar long teng dan nimla ban ai tarik bakam keluar mak itu te dan kam buat ban yo pan coach nama advice kin long kanam long compatible kin dak laki yo ke urea ke ba kidney jadi dengan pan coach for that reason maybe ni haban refer some cases coba dengan mela coba take up
kamu kajingdan kadang ni
kadang santali working kadang proses I mean kira case man kasi
kawai ru kebaki kedau mana kalau
ki staff te karban ong banduna lu haji sangim nomor menta slowly mabangidan.
A powerful gas explosion in William Nagar led to a devastating fire that destroyed 8 shops near the William Nagar Civil Hospital on Tuesday. The fire, caused by an unattended LPG gas stove, spread rapidly, engulfing the shops. Mohini Marak, a shop owner from Rukalgri village, reported that the blaze erupted suddenly, and despite the prompt response from William Nagar's fire and emergency services, 7 of the shops were beyond saving. 4 of the destroyed shops belonged to Marak, with an estimated loss of Rs 4 lakhs. The affected businesses primarily included food stalls, tea shops, and those selling betel nut and other daily essentials. The community is left reeling from the significant damage.
Ayo nak babu. Ai. Di Amerik kerja wak. Ui, di Amerik kerja wak. Ui, di Amerik kerja wak. Ha?
The Yarong Catholic Youth Association successfully concludes its football tournament on January 14th with the final match between Team Shipongut and the Mystery Yarong team. The tournament aims to raise funds for the construction of the new Yarong village church and foster unity among the youth of the village. The final match was thrilling, ending in a draw. The winner was determined by a tiebreaker, where Mistry Yarong triumphed with a 4-2 victory. The event was attended by prominent figures including MDC candidate Rocky Marwen, the village headman Roning Rani, and Seng Samla president Bans Khubor, alongside a large crowd of spectators. The tournament successfully combined sports and community spirit for a worthy cause.
Lang ya ka jingkit kli ban kin tiu ya ka balang ka jing mi jong pi sakman ka jing ai jong pi ka kti ka diang kti ka man ya ka balang nganet bau blei u I khamba bag nga ai ka jingkit bok kirang ba pinang la ban tre sibon ki kam babha ha ka balang bat kum juro ha ka imlang ka salang ngai ku blei parlok baywan lang hang ni dan te ai ba ka team ka ba best ka team ka baile kai bha kan di ka team ka banra ya ka nam job ubaro ki udon hang ni babi khot ko mu chief guest kabda dei than e banga kwa burom henry ngawan ha ka ni ka sngi bat ha ka ni ka snong talong kum shi banta bade thu ya pi bata kam shakri pat ba kadei hinalade ta kam shakri pat ba kadei ba upat ba urang ba uangnot ban shakri dei ma pi ki kun samla ki ba ay ngai kalimti bang anwan ha ka ni ka klimat bani thu ya pi mangidon kung girang ba ban kentiu ya kadong bagatan ban kentiu ya kikon samla bad ya kim lang asalang tengadap na kajing so komen ka bakraw hakani ka por banwan mansaki kamtam kat ni kirurang ba kilong kini kikon samla ki hep barit kidan kung ka shnong ka tao ban ya telilang na kabanta ka jing andut bat ka thong mabha jong kikon samla jong ka balang katolik hang ni hapo umiorong unit tenganam siyam ya kapor ngai jingkit bokir yang ikini art ligi team bag ya baro art nyo ligi team ki balaram no ru kiro kilay kun henry le kumno katong ngadi tanggaway kanam jok tanggaway the art ligi team mantakin sa ikini teng ay pi ka jingkit bokir yang ay kublay pi baro kirang ba abidon lang hangni nado irang ba isnong ni balan pensngan sekretary isnong bag nganget baka ni kasngi ka bajok na kabadagi kun samla bait kichongi te shrabangan shong na khot sobha yo samla 20 ban isamla banskem manwan shakman baroki ko aman ai new year gift yagi kun samla jonga balang hangni hashnong.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sama distributed 400 M tablets to students from 21 schools in Garo Hills on January 14th at the District Auditorium, Tura. The event, attended by Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Thomas A. Sangma, aimed to equip students with digital tools for enhanced learning. The Chief Minister emphasized the importance of these tablets, which provide students with access to a wide range of educational resources. Since 2021, the Meghalaya government has distributed over 1 lakh M tablets statewide. For the 2023 to 24 academic year, 30,480 tablets have been given to class 10 students, with a target of 3,000 more to be distributed in Garo Hills. These tablets offer students flexible access to study materials at their convenience. Shrimati Wansukh Aim, former Rajya Sabha MP and General Secretary, has announced 3 additional candidates for the upcoming MDC elections in the JHADC. This is in addition to the candidates revealed earlier on January 10th. The new candidates include Pinbyangmi Lalu from Mokayao, Brosen Siangshai from Musniang Rangat, and Bashan Tangliang from Sumer constituency. The announcement reflects the party's ongoing preparations for the elections with an aim to strengthen its representation in the council. SAM expressed confidence in the candidate's ability to serve the people effectively. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until meet again, thank you for watching.